We're really gonna have to do this more during the summertime when the weather's a bit more active. Because like even on slight risk day. Oh no, there was lightning. There it was. Cool.
Damn, it sucks that light came on.
People are coming in now. Running. Woo!
Oof! I'm getting all these.
Woo!
Nice.
Yes.
Keeping that baby in shot. I ain't fucking letting her go. That's why. I don't know if I caught them both. There's two flashes back to back.
I saw a strike while I was running down that way.
Well, I mean two strikes back to back.
Oh, there's one.
Another one.
Woo!
Got it. Got it. Interesting. You want to do that now? Nice.
What the fuck? Alright, get ready.
Nice. One more bit of action. Not on us. Come on, dude. Ah! Alright.
Time to go?
Yeah, I'd say so. You want to call it?
Woo! Yeah. That's loud. That's so fucking loud. Yeah, let's go. Let's get inside now. This huge storm. Shame I couldn't record it on the way here, but I'm sure it's going to be just as interesting. Yep, on the way back.
Damn.
It will be just as interesting on the way back. Just kind of like look around like, oh, okay. Oh,
Wow, that was a fucking strike.
So I think for now, the rain and the wind is starting to lighten up here. Woo! Holy shit! Oh, I know it caught that one. Holy fuck. That was good. I know it caught that one. Yeah, saying that we didn't get that winds here over 6 miles per hour. I don't know. I granted I was on flatter land out more in the open and not. Ooh, wow. Holy shit. Woo. Yeah, I think we got that one.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah, we got that one for sure.
Sun keys to a new Cadillac.
Wow.
Damn.
I don't know if you got the bolt on that because it was further that way, but definitely saw the flash on that.
I don't know if you noticed, there's two. There's that bolt that happened over here, and then some air, what you call it over
Cloud
there?
to cloud strikes.
Cloud to cloud. Thank you.
That was that looked like it was higher up in the clouds.
Yeah. Filming that one?
Oh my god! I just saw out the corner of my eye there was a really bright bolt to the south.
Damn.
Outwards over it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Do you want to do it here?
No. This is one of the. Ooh. No. Why would you come? Okay. Holy shit. Heard that one. Today. Nothing crazy. Pretty active virgins. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. The part of me that loves Mother Nature doesn't want the people doing construction here to cut down trees. The storm chaser in me wishes every fucking southern pine tree in the state would be cut down so I can actually see shit.
Yeah.
Ooh. No, we were just way too out of range. And it like went across most.